There is symbolism seen throughout Beauty and the Beast. In this Prezi, I will explain to you where each of these symbols are seen in the films and what they mean. We'll start with red roses. Red roses first appear in the 1991 film in a pretty rosebush scene as soon as the movie begins. The hag then offers the prince a single red rose to stay in his castle. Roses are then seen on the florist sign outside the shop in the village. Roses are not seen for a while throughout the movie until they are seen again in the background when the servants are transforming back into humans. Finally, roses are seen in the garland around the pillars at the ending ball and in the stained glass window above Beauty and the Prince and surrounding it. In the 2017 film, rose vines with thorns are very apparent and the hag reaches her hand up to pick one as soon as the movie begins. The hag offers the prince one of his own roses from his own garden to enter into the castle. Then Gaston presents Belle with a white rose. It is important to note that this rose is white because she denies it just like she denies Gaston's love. Red roses are next seen on Belle's apron as she is depicted in various scenes with the Beast. Finally, red roses are seen in garland at the ball and on Belle's dress. The meaning of these red roses is overall love. The petals are soft and gentle, yet strong and durable, just like the way love should be. They also have thorns, which can be painful, but this implies that love can hurt at times, but happiness and hurt go hand in hand. Next is the enchanted rose. The enchanted rose are seen in both films in the opening scenes. It is described that this rose will bloom until the prince's 21st year. If he can learn to love another and earn her love in return, the spell will be broken. If not, he will be doomed to remain a beast for all time. The enchanted rose is not seen again until the beast uses his magic mirror to see Belle. She is sad and alone, and another petal falls. When Belle explores into the west wing where she is not supposed to be, she finds this enchanted rose, and the beast gets her away from it as quickly as possible. When the beast releases Belle from being prisoner in the castle, he goes back to this rose to lament because he knows he will never be human again. Finally, the enchanted rose is seen at the end of both movies when Belle expresses her love for the beast just in time for the last petal to fall. In the 1991 film, there is one depiction of the enchanted rose that is not in the 2017 one. It is in the background of the scene when the beast is getting ready for his first romantic night with Belle. There is also one scene in the 2017 film that is not in the 1991 film. Belle is taking care of the beast for days after he chased after her to protect her from the wolves. The meaning behind this enchanted rose is a symbol of true love, growing and maturing. Specifically, roses are perennials, so even if all the petals fall off, the flower will bloom again year after year. They never truly die the way true love never dies. Next is the magic mirror. The magic mirror is seen in both films when the beast uses it to see Belle sad and lonely in the castle after she denies an evening meal with him. It is seen again after their first romantic dinner together. He gives it to Belle to be able to see her father, which prompts her to leave to go back because he is sick. The beast gives Belle the mirror so that she can always have a way to look back on him. She winds up using the mirror, however, to show the villagers that the beast is real and her father is not lying. The meaning behind this mirror is different than you would think. Mirrors are generally used for people to see themselves, but this would never help the Beast change his unkind and narcissistic ways. The magic mirror in this case allowed the Beast to see the outside world into the lives of others. It represented hope for the Beast to see past his outer appearance, look within, and empathize with and love others. The magic book is another symbol. However, it is not present in the 1991 film. It is only present in the 2017 film. It was given as a gift from the Enchantress to the Beast because he could no longer go out in public with his new appearance. This magic book could bring the Beast anywhere in the world. Belle chooses to go to Paris, and we find out how her mother dies through this book. The magic book can take the Beast anywhere in the world and emphasizes the importance of education, learning, and the value of books. Through the magic book, the Beast learns that people view him as a repulsive person, which is ironic because as a prince, he was the one judging people based on their appearances. As seen when Belle and Beast take a trip to Paris, the book symbolizes how much we can learn about the past through reading and how it can help us better understand the present. The Enchantress is another symbolic person in Beauty and the Beast. In both films, she is present in the opening scene. She puts a spell on the Beast when she is presented as an old hag, and he will not allow her access into the castle. However, she is present another time in only the 2017 film towards the end. She watches the love exchange between Beast and Belle, which prompts her to fix the enchanted rose and send the petals to circle around the Beast as he transforms back into a human. She is also present for the servants' transformations and watches them reunite. Overall, the Enchantress in the 1991 film is symbolic of strictly magic. She has no other role in the story but to put the enchantment on the prince. In the 2017 film, she takes on a stronger role, appearing again at the ending. This makes her an outside force that influences the love and relationship between Belle and the Beast. She represents all the people, hardships, and challenges that come along the way in relationships. Finally, we'll talk about the Vanitas. The Vanitas are seen in both openings of the film when the Beast is extremely angry about his enchantment and scratches his old appearance. It is also seen again when Belle goes to explore the West Wing. She is very curious about the photo and fixes the rips so that she can get a clear view of what the prince once looks like. She is very confused and intrigued by this. Vanitas in Latin means emptiness. Therefore, this painting depicting someone of luxury, wealth, and beauty is actually something implying emptiness. The Beast had no love in his heart. He survived purely on wealth and riches. His life was not fulfilled. It was empty. Thank you for watching this presentation, and I hope you enjoyed it.